So we're at Acupuncture today. So Tucker, my mom's 12-year-old German Shepherd, Triggy's in there. He didn't like doggies. And Charlie has been let out of the cage. Tucker's going to go first, and then I'm going to let Dr. Perkins decide if Charlie or Trig go next. Tucky's got degenerative disc disease, and he's been dragging his feet a little bit, so that's why he's got mailing tape stuck to himself to help heal that wound. Okay, so Tucky's got all of his acupuncture needles in, and you can't tell because he just plopped over, which means that the needles are working, but they're all attached to this electric acupuncture device, which just helps current get to those needles. And then he's got a sore spot back here that she's working on. He's got needles all on his feet because his back feet are the ones that aren't working as properly. And then he's got the one on his head, which helps calm him down. He also got a couple of B12 shots behind his ears. And then Charlie and Sugar Man are next.
Orphans, which kind of the difference is whether you're dealing with chronic pain, acute pain, or weakness, which are going to right in there. Okay.
Can they have like tight muscles from a dental, or
No, probably more from the anesthesia, and then just having their heads turned while they're under.
yeah?
The anesthesia, you lose some of that core protection of your muscles. So yeah, they can be tight from that, and that's one of the reasons I like seeing them after they've had a dental or been anesthetized for anything, is just make sure we don't have any chiropractic fixations afterwards.
Oh, that's good to know.
Yeah, see how much easier that is. Okay. He's not impressed. I'm more impressed than he is. Okay, that's good.
Oh, creepers! Where are you going?
Oh, right there. Mm-hmm. See, you are a little stuck there. I just step on my table. There we go. There we got that. Okay, your baby's sitting the front end. Look at you, holding on, pulling yourself sideways. You silly guy. Now you are a little relaxed though. Look at that. See?
Creeper.
He's got his own little agenda there. Gotta get a little closer to the edge. Okay, we need a little bit right in here.
Okay, so I wasn't able to get video of Trig or Charlie getting their needles put in because I needed to help hold them with her. They don't react kindly sometimes to certain spots where the needles are. So Chiggy's got needles here and here. She said Trig was pretty well balanced. Charlie had some, I think, repercussions, I guess, if you will, from the anesthesia and dental and stuff. So since Trig didn't go through all that stress, I think that's why he doesn't have an issue. He is not a big fan of German Shepherds, so he's not real excited about that, but he's being a good kitty man. I'm excited to see how he is when we get home, like an hour after we get home. Gee, it's so everybody your needles. They got a lot of needles back there. Gee. Where you go? Oh, you gotta go. The nice thing about Trig is that he's too scared about Tucker, who would never do anything to him, that he doesn't want to get out of his carrier. Whereas Charlie was like all over the room. Now he's in his carrier over there. So Chiggy's our last patient of the day. Tucky's done. He's had his back adjusted and he's ready to go. But my Chiggy though, Chiggy. She basically keeps cats in carriers when they have acupuncture because they won't move around as much. So I'm going to put him back with this carrier. He's the kind of cat that likes this over him. Okay. And then I'll try to take a video of him being adjusted. He's actually related to my Rags that I was talking to you about earlier.
Ah.
That's how I ended up with him. So I was looking for a relative.
Now, how do you feel about the way she handles things in her breeding operation?
1,000 visitors a month.
Wow.
So there's been a lot of
traffic.
Yeah. And inquiries about where I got him from.
Sure. Look how long your neck really is.
I don't show my goods to everybody. Is he letting you do that pretty?
Oh yeah, he's like helping me out even. There's not much there at all. That went really well. All right. I think you'll do really good. I think I'll get a picture this afternoon of you snoozing away again.
Yes, you
I
will.
didn't think you're going to wait till you get home and look how relaxed he is now.
I know, it's awesome.
Yeah,
He's never that relaxed at a vet.
He's like...
I wanted to show you, so now Tucker's home and I need to feed Murphy and Camus. And they're both smelling him because he got, I think it's called moxa. It's like an incense type thing that she puts over certain parts of his body to help with energy and kidneys. She was explaining it to me, but I never am very good about repeating it. So I grabbed the video camera as fast as I could, but they stopped smelling him. What do you think? Bo, you want your dinner? Oh, lunch? Camus is like, I want lunch. Camus! When she was doing the moxa on Tucker, it literally smells like pot, like you're sitting there smoking pot. And Charlie was just going crazy, kept meowing in his carrier. But I didn't feel right videotaping during it, so I didn't do that. You can see how hard it is for Tuck to move now. How the cats just kind of sit there and hope not to get clunked. Oh, it's so stressful. Let's have dinner. Want lunch? Bo, say hi to the people on YouTube. Say hi. Bo. Oh, you want to pet me? Oh, that's nice. Thank you, Bo. Thank you, Bo.